What's the meaning of consignment? Consignment. Consignment.
Consignment. Consignment. Consignment refers to an arrangement whereby a seller entrusts goods to a consignee who agrees to sell the goods for a commission. The ownership of the goods remains with the seller until they are sold, and the consignee has no obligation to pay for the goods if they are not sold. The consignee takes on the risk of selling the goods and may receive a percentage of the sale price as a commission. This arrangement is often used in the sale of high-value items such as art or antiques, where the seller wants to avoid the risk of losing money on unsold goods.